Now time to check out from the Bông Hồng Hotel. Bông Hồng means Roses Hotel. Today we travel to Cần Thơ by boat, by bicycle, by trekking, and we are almost in the countryside just away from everyone else. This is the new creative tour is made by the Vietnam Cool Travel. Then we travel to a little market in the countryside. We stop over there for about 20 minutes to have a look to see what people buying and selling in that little market. Some people go to the market by boat. Some people go to the market by motorbike or bicycle. Local people from Mekong Delta they have very simple life. They just go to the little market nearby to buy something very necessary for their daily life.
Ngon mạnh luôn. Dạ ơi, em không ăn mắc gì đâu.
So good.
All right.
So good, man.
It's okay.
Cool. Have a bite.
All right.
After the little market, we just impact onto the boat and we just have a cruise. And from Sa Đéc to Cần Thơ is about 30 kilometers. And for sure, on the way, we go into stop for biking, for trekking, and contacting with the local people. The countryside over there is really green through Mekong Delta. For anyone is surprised about how people live in very simple in the family and very very happy people. With this video clip, we're going to see the detail of everyday life of the people in Mekong Delta. After a few kilometers biking, we all stop over to visit the families on the way. They invite us, tea, and we just stop there, have a talk, and asking about, how life's going on and things. He told us that he got about 8,000 square meter for the rice, and also he grow up some vegetable, so the family survive, and that's why it's quite okay. The second family we stopped over to visit that would spend like more than 45 minutes to have a look around and to visit them, to talk with them, to make a little fishing and have a look how they make a meal and how really the family living between wife and husband, daughter and things. The Vietnam cool travel really want to share with you, the actual side of the family, how people, living in the real situation and not something come from, literature or come from, really things away from you. That you really feel like you are nearly, a member in the family. Thanks so much for your watching. My name is Vinny. I'm a tour guide in Sadek. Anytime you get to Sadek, please call me 0903 888 144. Or you open the website worldwideweb.vietnamholiday.eu for further information. Have a